Ah, I'm having a severe neck pain. So, any of you are suffering from similar neck pain? Then, in this video, we'll be seeing how to cure them and how to avoid them. So, come, let's see the video. Hello friends, this is Vidya Dinesh. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see what are the causes of neck pain and how do we cure them with simple and effective strengthening exercises and how to prevent them. Before talking about the causes of neck pain, let us understand more about our neck. Our neck is made of 7 bones called cervical vertebrae and is being covered with 5 major muscles. But only 2 bones hold the weight of our head and these muscles support them. When these muscles become weak, what happens? All the weight of our head falls back into the bone. That's when we get the neck pain. The main causes of neck pain are because of wrong posture, especially when you're looking at your phone downward, when your neck is down, that's when you strain your neck, as well as when you're working on your system, not at the right angle, either your head is too up or too down, that's when again you get your neck pain. And other causes because of long drive. All these happens when the muscles are weak. So we need to strengthen this muscle so that it largely help us to avoid the neck pain. So come, let's see what are the exercises we need to do. Okay, before starting our exercises, we need to do warm up. So we'll be turning our head right and left. So right and left, do it for 3 times and do it very slowly and be cautious of your movement. Don't strain. And now up and down. Do it as slowly as possible and don't strain your neck. Now we'll slowly rotate clockwise. We'll be doing this 3 times. And the best part is we can do this while sitting also. Now anti-clockwise. Do it slowly. Now we'll be doing 4 exercises. Each exercise we'll do for 30 seconds. And it hardly takes us 2 to 3 minutes. First, take your palm, place it on your forehead and press it hard and see to that your neck doesn't fall back. You have to hold it straight and press your forehead as much as possible. Put all the pressure and see to that you get a slight pressure on your neck. This strengthens your muscles. Hold this for 30 seconds. Now we'll placing it on right side of our head. Place it and push it. Push it how much you can. And don't lean your leg towards left. Keep it straight. Push it. Hold this position for 30 seconds. Now the other side. Press the left side. Press it really hard and keep your neck straight and see the pressure here. Hold this position for 30 seconds. Now last exercise, lock your fingers and place it behind your head and press it. Press it really hard and see to that your neck doesn't fall down. The neck has to be straight, but put all the pressure on your head. And again hold this position for 30 seconds. That's it. These 4 exercises are very simple but very effective. Do this every day, morning and evening. It hardly takes 3 to 4 minutes of our time. Do this every day and you will start seeing the result in 2 weeks. Now let us talk about how to avoid or prevent from getting neck pain. Okay, first, When you're sitting in front of your computer or system for long, then do take a short break. Just get up for every 45 minutes and go for a small walk. Next, adjust your chair, desk, and your computer in such a way that top of the monitor is parallel to your eye level so that you don't strain your neck. And try to avoid tucking your phone in between your ears and shoulders when you're talking over phone, because this strains your neck when you're leaning towards one side for a long time. Avoid carrying heavy bags with straps over your shoulders. This again strains your neck a lot. And one more point which we mostly neglect, see to that your vehicle suspension is in a good condition. And always see to that your sleep is in good condition. Say for example, when you're lying on your back, see to that your neck is straight. See to that your pillow is neither too high or too thin. And the most important point is take sun bath. Yes, sun has a good source of vitamin D which helps in strengthening our bones. I hope all these tips are very useful and helpful to you. In case you have any queries or questions, please do contact me. I have mentioned my email ID as well as Telegram and Facebook group link in the description. In case if you have any feedback, please do leave it in the comment section and I will reply to you.